So we gotta go that way.
So you can just see the shard in the car.
33.
Yeah. So you press the button and then you have to beep beep. You can't really see on my mask. Did yours go?
A little bit, yeah, when I got to the top.
Yeah.
Right.
It is a little bit rainy down here in London. Like, this is why it's all hair all over the place. But I thought I'd show you our hotel. And here we go. Hello. What's in there then? Oh, this is smart.
Nice, isn't it?
Look how they've lined everything up for us. That's so cool. You've got like some dental set, comb set, shaving set. Well, that said something else then. It's got a vanity set and a shower cap. So your hair don't get wet in the shower, Tom.
Yeah, I know. Thanks. I can put it up my beard as well. I've got all this here as well.
Oh, they're cute. We really didn't need to
Nice,
pack
isn't it?
anything.
Really nice, I like the red wall.
I love how you got the vanity mirror. Oh, and a big shower head as well.
It's not in a waterfall shower thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really smart.
Yeah. And we got a huge TV. Huge. So if we want movie night, nice little seat here because we have... Do you want to do the honours? Honours? The honours of the view?
Oh, gone. Completely the opposite.
I mean, there is a bit of a construction site here, but look at this view.
I love the vibe to this part of the city and the water and the little statues everywhere. It's really nice. Such a nice part of the city.
Right, look, you can wake up and then have that view. Oh, and they've given you some robes. One thing I do love about hotels is the fact that you get your robes and like just hotel towels and all the little amenities that you get. Yeah. So this is a huge wardrobe. So if you are staying for a while, oh, it's a double. Oh, they do have a hairdryer. And a nice mirror. It's a nice room.
Yeah, it is. It's really nice. I like the design of it.
Yeah. And you got your
It's a
little
sound bar.
fridge. I thought that for when you play movies.
Oh, no, it's light.
We're just waiting for our little bits of, what are they?
Sandwiches and pizza.
I forgot what we ordered. And then that's our hotel all the way up there.
It's crazy how fast the elevator gets you up. Superman.
You ready?
Doors closed.
Oh, you're flip out. 37 seconds to get upstairs.
I could beat it in the stairs.
Yeah, I'm sure you could.
Hey, so what you gone for?
So I've gone for the Bogota spin roll.
Got that one.
What's yours?
Lamb samosa and a bit of foliage.
Is it spicy?
No.
What did you go for?
Buffalo.
Looks big, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does look good. So either that or the crocodile, I just thought buffalo sounds nicer. Sounds like it's going to taste nicer. Tastes like beef,
Yeah.
but it falls apart a lot easier on your
Does
tongue.
it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Tastes really nice. Don't know whether that's how they've cooked it
Yeah.
or whether it's the meat itself, but yeah, it tastes really nice. So try that.
Okay. I'm gonna try a bit. That's nice.
Well nice, isn't it?
Yeah, better than beef.
Yeah.
Laughing at me getting my shots in.
Food eyes.
I have to get those angles in for the food. For the plum panna cotta. I've never had panna cotta before. It'd be nice. It's like a white chocolate jello with a nice plum sauce. What's yours?
The fritter rolls.
I love cheesecake.
Try it.
Go on then. Okay, go on then. Wait. Go on then. We've just found this incredible shop where you can dress up in old time clothes and take pictures. Oh, look at that outfit.